Menteri Rangba Gejala Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma hakakat nyotrik Kuala Lengkot ulale Guwahati. Iakynduh Menteri Rangba ke Assam Himanta Sarma nagabenta banekaran halor uput usam. Bergidang persang banelek ban penbet no uput usam jongki hindriu teli gejaka. Haswa Gejala Meghalaya kan rakhe ya gejengdap san posnem. Habayekran beginang pathai kubor Conrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bagidang persangkat bala bane penbet no uput usam ubala sateng. Hendra Yamentahi on 4 la ban batai benia halor kejing ekran jongki. Uloong bagani kakam kanang ya cekmat bat kesorkar kan se selok bat baro syuaban syem karai ke bakhat do. Haduk bandala ban pendep ekakam. Uloong babaro arteli gejala kan si opdiang ki kaipot ha kabede bagejing penbet uput usam. Bat hadien kan ni kan sedon biang kejing ekran bat bania penya cekmat ekakam. Conrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bagi sorkar kebuthong banla ban penbet uput usam hapo ka arpui terik mentau benai. Hendrai kan omlek kerki epat bat kan kemi baha ha barok kiliang bat kinile ai ban penurlong haswa ka arpui terik mentau Kuala Lengkot.
So today also we had a unofficial meeting because of the points we had mentioned last time. We're trying to improve on those, and so with that intention we met the Chief Minister today, and we've gone into more details. So more studies are being done by both the sides, both the governments. So it's a process, and therefore really we cannot give any kind of conclusive remarks at this point in time. But my point is that sincere efforts are being made, and we are working overtime to find a solution at least to some of the issues that are pending. It's a continuous process, and it's a very complicated issue. So therefore, small details, villages, population, area, contiguity, so many factors are there involved in this, and therefore, and it has to be done in a way that is, we carry everybody along. So you need to continuously meet stakeholders, share with them the discussions that are taking place. So one cannot just simply say that it's the last meeting or the first meeting. As I said, the process will continue till we are able to find a solution. No, what the discussion was, that's something that will not be appropriate for me to share right now. As I said, it's a part of the process of trying to come to a conclusion. But the reports are being made by both the states. And I'm sure that within the next couple of days, the reports will be submitted by the departments to the states, and then we will once again sit down and then discuss those issues and see if we can move forward with those reports that are. That does not mean that we will just simply rush into it. We will do our due diligence, and we will ensure that we carefully examine every aspect, and and we'll try to do something before 21st. And if it does happen and we do agree on some aspects, then we will move to Delhi and we will share the information, because it is the entire process started with the intervention of the Home Ministry, where they had urged us to find a solution to this long pending issue.